Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to create a Shopify store in 2026. If you want to start an online business and sell products easily, this guide will take you step by step. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official website of Shopify. Once you're there, click on the Start Free Trial or Get Started button. Now enter your email address, password, and store name. Your store name is what customers will see, so try to make it simple and professional. Next, answer for a few basic questions about your business, like what you want to sell and where you are located. This helps Shopify set up your store properly. After that, you'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control panel where you manage everything. Now choose a theme for your store. Go to the online store section, click Themes, and pick a design that matches your brand. Next, add products by clicking Add Product. Upload images, set prices, write descriptions, and save each item carefully. Now set up payments by going to Settings and selecting Payments. This allows you to accept money from customers. You can also customize shipping options and store settings based on your business needs. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now ready to go live and start selling products online. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple business guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.